Hello students, this is week number 9 and we are studying the second topic for this week, and the name of the topic is factoring. Factoring means how to break. If you remember, in chapter 1 we all studied the distributive law. What was the distributive law? That A times B plus C is equal to A times B plus A times C. So how we are going to do it? This is A times B multiply plus this plus and then A times C. This is distributive law. But if we write this in opposite form, means first write right side and then write left side, then what is the meaning of this? That AB plus AC can be written as A times B plus C. That means we break AB plus AC into two parts, A and B plus C. Clear? So this A dot B plus C are called factors of AB plus AC. How we are going to get it factors? Because we have something A here. So this is this term is same to same. So we are taking this term out. Clear? So we get it A out and then we write the remaining one. This is called this is called the factor. Here you can call A is common in both. A is common in both AB and AC. That's why we taken A out. Okay. This is how we write the process. Clear? For example, if you want to write say 3x plus let us say 9. So how can we write it? It is, if you see, 3 times x plus 9 can be written as 3 times 3. So look here, 3 and 3. 3 is same. So 3 may be taken common 3 times. What remaining here? Here is x and here is 3. Clear? So this is how we write. So we are taking this 3 out. How to get it? How to do it? How to do it? The process is very simple. If you want to do it, number one is find the HCF of all the terms. This is step number one. Find the HCF of all the terms. Step number two is factor HCF from each term. Find what you need to do. You need to write the factor as HCF. Whatever HCF you have got, write it as a factor. Clear? And then apply the distributive law. The distributive law. Distributive law means you just take the common term is HCF out and remaining inside the bracket. That is the rule. Clear? So if you remember how to get HCF, clear? Let us take example number 1. Find the HCF of say 9 and 12. 9 and 12. So first write the prime factors of 9. 3 times 3. Then write the prime factors of 12. 2 times 3 times 2. Like this one. Clear? If you see here only one number is common. This 3. Clear? So because one number is only common, if two numbers are there, so we multiply two numbers. Because one number is common only, so the HCF is 3. That we have already studied in the last chapter. Clear? Example number 2. Find the HCF of 10, 25 and 150. Clear? So how to get it? First write the prime factors. It is 2 times 5. 25. It is 5 times 5. These are prime factors. And 150, it is 2 times 5, 10, and times 5 times 3. These are the prime factors of 10, 25 and 50. And if you see, only one number is common among all the three, that is 5. So HCF of the three numbers are 5. This is when numbers are given. But if the terms of x are given, how to find the HCF of them? Like example number 3, HCF of x power 2 and x power 5. If you see, so indirectly I want to say that x power 2 will be HCF. How to get it? Look, sorry, it is x power 2. How we can write it? X times x. Clear? How x power 5 can be written as x times x times x times x times x. And if you will take the common is x here and common is x here. Clear? So HCF is multiplication of these two, x times x and x power 2. So HCF is x power 2. Okay. So example number 3, we will take in the next example, we will take the common term. Look, here is 9. So like write 9x square. And here is 12. Like we write 12x power 5. Clear? So what will be the common HCF? So first you need to find the common of 9 and 12. What is the HCF of 9 and 12? It is 3. So the 3 here. What is the HCF of x power 2 and x power 5? We got it x power 2. So the HCF of 9x power 2 and 12x power 5 is 3x power 2. This is how to find the HCF of monomials. These are monomials. 9x square is a monomial, 12x power 5 is a monomial. So how to find the HCF of monomials? This is the procedure that you have learned. Okay, now we will try to find out the factors of some simple expressions. Example, factorize. What is this? 8x power 2 plus 12x power 4. Clear? So what is the step number 1? Step number 1 is find HCF of 8 and 12. This is step 1. And if you will find HCF of 8 and 12, what it is? 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 and 12 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3. Clear? So what is the HCF of 8 and 12? HCF of 8 and 12 is 2 and 2. That is 2 times 2, that is 4. This is HCF of 8 and 12. Now what is the second step? Find HCF of x power 2 and x power 4. So I am directly saying a small term will be the HCF. So otherwise you can write it x times x and x power 4 is x times x times x times x. Clear? Here this is common term and this is common term. So what is the HCF? HCF is the multiplication of common terms, x into x, and that is x power 2. This is HCF. Clear? Now let us take this 8x power 2 plus 12x power 4. Now you need to break. It is, how much is the common HCF? Common HCF is 4 into x power 2. So write here 4x power 2 into x power 2 already included, 4 times 2 plus. So we have break it into two terms. One is the HCF, another is remaining. Here also 4x power 2 into, look, 12 divided by 4, it is 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. Clear? And or divide x power 2, it is x power 2. So x power 2 into x power 2 is x power 4. Now this is common. So take this is common. 4x power 2. And what else inside? 2 plus 3x power 2. These are the factors. These are the factors of this expression. So this is how you are getting. Find the HCF of two terms and then combine it. The combined HCF is 4x square. So break 4x square at both the places. Rest you need to find it. Okay. One more question I will explain to you, and that question is, let us take factorize. What is the factorize? It is 6x power 3 minus 24x. This you need to factorize. So what is the step 1? HCF of 6 and 24. This is step 1. 6 is 2 times 3 and 24 is 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. Clear? This is. So what is the HCF? 2 times 3. So HCF is 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Now find the HCF of x power 3 and x. So x is the HCF. I am telling you directly. A small term. So x power 3 may be written as x times x times x, and x may be written as x. So this is. So HCF is equal to x. This is. So what is the combined HCF? Combined HCF is 6 into x. 6x. So 6x power 3 minus 24x. Write 6x here into. Look, 6 is already there. X power 3. Only x we have written here. So x power 2 minus. Now 64 is here. We have written 6x. So how much we have got? 24 divided by 6. It is 4. And x by x it is nothing. Okay. So taking this term common. 6x. It is x power 2 minus 4. This is the answer. So we have got factors. One factor is 6x, another factor is x square minus 4. So this is about the factors of simple expressions. Clear? Now we are moving towards the most important topic. It is factoring of quadratic form. Factoring of quadratic form. Factoring of quadratic form. Factoring of quadratic form. So first of all, what is a quadratic? Quadratic means n is equal to 2. The degree is 2. Clear? So an expression ax power 2 plus bx plus c, where a should not be equal to 0, because if a is 0, so this x power 2 will be 0. X power 2 should be apart, minimum. If this is 0, this is 0, no problem. But x power 2 should be there, because quadratic. Quadratic means x power 2 must be there. So any expression ax power 2 plus bx plus c is called a quadratic form. Is called a quadratic form. So to break ax power 2 plus bx plus c in two linear forms, to break ax power 2 plus bx plus c in two linear forms, is called factoring of quadratic forms. Factoring of quadratic form. Clear? Like if I want to means if I tell you x square plus 5x plus 6, we will do it later, but the factors are x plus 3 and x plus 2. Clear? So here it is a 2 degree. Look, 2 degrees here, but here it is 1 degree, 1 degree. So we have changed them into linear form. Linear means x. So this is one factor, this is another factor. There are two factors. Clear? So x square plus 5x equals to 6 is equals to this one. So these are the two factors. So this is what we are going to do in this chapter, that some quadratic expression will be given to you and you need to factorize it. Clear? And to factorize it, the process is very simple. Clear? There are three possible cases. We will study three possible cases, and case 1. First we will study case 1. And what is case 1? Case 1 is we are taking a factoring of the quadratic form ax square plus bx plus c. What we are taking? Here is plus and here is plus. All numbers are plus. If all numbers are plus, then how you are going to take it? Okay. So I will explain the procedure. It is same for all the three cases. Only little change. That change you need to give attention. You need to fix in your brain. Okay. So first we are taking example number 1. It is factorize x square plus 5x plus 6. This is. So what we are going to do? We are going to factorize it. How to factorize it? X square plus 5x plus 6, because 2 degrees here. So there will be one linear factor and there will be another linear factor. So we are going to factorize it into two forms. Okay. So the process is very simple. How the process is very simple? It will be x plus x plus. Why this is x plus? Because here is x power 2. X power 2 may be written as x into x. X power 2 may be written as x into x. So one x will be here and one x will be here. Now the question comes, what is here and what is here? And both will be plus here. Why? Because all plus signs are there. All plus numbers are there. So both will be plus. Okay. Now there are, first choose this number 6. First choose the number 6. Clear? And then try to find the factors of 6. There are two possible factors. First factor is 6 times 1 and another factor is 2 times 3. Try to find the possible factors. It may be 6 into 1 or 1 into 6. Both are same. 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. Both are same. Okay. Now find the sum. Plus 6 plus 1. It is 7. Now find the plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And match it here. Where it is matching? It is matching here. Clear? So the factor, so understand? So we will use 2 and 3 as a factor. If it is 7 in the middle, we will use 6 and 1. But now it is 5. Clear? So what is the answer? Answer is x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to x plus 2 and x plus 3. But look, my dear, if the question is x square plus 7x plus 6, clear? then the question is same to same. There is no change here. Answer will be x plus and x plus. This is the clear. But what will be the factor? It will be 6 is 2 times 3 and 6 times 1. Same factors of 6 like we have in this part here. But what it is? 2 plus 3 equals to 5 and 6 plus 1 equals to 7. And what we are going to use here? Here we are going to use 7 because in the middle term it is 7. So what is the answer? Answer is x square plus 7x plus 6 is equal to x plus 6 and x plus 1. So look, if in the middle it is 5, we use 2 and 3. If in the middle it is 7, we use 6 and 1. That is the property. You need to find the factors of this and then sum plus both the factors and check where the sum matching this number. Where the sum matching this number. And because all are positive, so there is no need to concern about it. The answer will be x plus and x plus. Okay, let us take example number 2. Example number 2 is x square plus 8x, not 18x, it is 8x plus 15. Clear? So what will be the answer? Answer will be what you need to do. It is x square plus 8x plus 15 because both are plus here. So answer will be x plus and x plus. This will be the answer. Two factors. One this factor, another this factor. Now find the factors of 15. What are the factors? 15 times 1. What is the another factor? It is 3 times 5. There are two factors only. Clear? Now find the sum. If you will find the sum, 15 plus 1 is 16. 3 plus 5 is 8. So what factors we are going to use? The 8 here because here is also 8. So we will use 3 and 5. Okay. So x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to x plus 3, x plus 8. You can write x plus 8 first or x plus 3 second. That is not a problem. Okay, so same to same. Okay, so one more question we will take. We will solve three questions in all the. Okay, so the question number, example number 3. What it is? Factorize x square plus 13x plus 30. Okay, so because here is plus, case 1 plus, both plus means case 1, and in case 1 what is the answer? Answer is simple. What? It is x plus and x plus. Okay, now 30. Try to find the factor. The first factor is 13 times 1. The second factor is 2 times 15. The third factor is 3 times 10. The fourth factor is 5 times 6. Class, there are 4 factors. 30 times 1 is 30, 2 times 15 is 30, 3 times 10 is 30, 5 times 6 is 30. Try to find the sum. 30 plus 1 is equal to 31. No. 2 plus 15 is 17. No. 3 plus 10 is 13. Yes, this is, and 5 plus 6 is 11. No. Clear? So if this middle term 13, 31, this is used. Clear? If 17, this is used. If 11, this is used. But now it is 13. So we will use this one. Okay. So what is the answer? answer is x square plus 13x plus 30 is equal to x plus 3 and x plus 10. This is the answer. So it is not a very difficult one. Only you need to understand what process we are doing. Okay, now we are going to study case 2. Case 2 means now the expression changed. This is x square minus bx plus c. X square minus bx plus c. Now previously both terms were plus, x square plus bx plus c. Now one term is negative, and what is the negative? B is negative. Please remember, B is negative. And if B is negative, the answer will be, that you need to remember, that answer will be both negative. X square minus bx plus c will be x minus and x minus. In the previous case both were plus. Now in this case both will be minus. The process will same. There is no change. Like example number 1, if we study, it is x square minus 8x plus 15. Clear? So this factor we need to find. So what it is? X square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to x minus and x minus. Only what you need to do? You need to write the number here, whatever the number. Okay, whatever the number is coming, you need to find the number, you need to find the number. This is okay. So after doing this, let find the factors of 15. It is 5 times 3 and it is 15 times 1. There are two factors. Sum 5 plus 3 is 8. 15 plus 1 is 16. So here is 8. So we will choose this one. This. So what is the answer? Answer is x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to x minus 5, x minus 3. Got it? This is very simple. There is nothing very difficult. Okay. Now example number 2. What it is? Factorize x square minus 10x plus 24. Clear? So what it is? Now because in the middle is negative, clear, and in both the cases this number is plus. In the previous case, in this case, here is negative, means answer will be negative. X minus x minus. This number now you need to find. Okay, so we will take 24. Find the factors. 24 by 1. Another is 12 by 2. Another is 6 by 4. Another is 8 by 3. And that's all. These are the 4 possible factors. Okay, let us do 24 plus 1, 25. 12 plus 2, 14. 6 plus 4, 10. 8 plus 3, 11. You number 2, these numbers you need to add. Okay, how? Look, it is 24 plus 1 is 25. 12 plus 2 is 14. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 8 plus 3 is 11. This is, what is the number in between? The 10. This is the number. If this is the number, then what will be the answer? X square minus 10x plus 24 is equal to x minus 6, x minus 4. This is the answer. Okay, let us solve one more question. And this is example number 3. Factorize x square minus 11x plus 18 plus 18. So here is minus here. So x square minus 11x plus 18 is equal to x minus one number will be here and x minus one number will be here. This is, now take the 18. 18 is 18 times 1. Another is 9 times 2. Another is 6 times 3. And no more factors. Okay. So 18 plus 1 is 19. 9 plus 2 is 11. And 6 plus 3 is 9. So here is 11. 11 means this one. So what are the factors? 9 and 2. So the answer is x square minus 11x plus 18 is equal to x minus 9 and x minus 2. This is method number 2. Case number 2. Now we'll study case 3. What is case 3? Case 3 is x square plus minus plus minus bx minus c. Here it may be plus, here may be plus, maybe minus. Doesn't make any difference. But here is negative. This c is negative. If c is negative, then what important thing you need to remember is that here the factors will be x square plus minus bx minus c. The factors will be x plus what number we will find here and x minus one number we will find here. So if minus c is here, minus c. If minus c is here, here is minus c, then one will be plus and another will be minus. Please remember this. This is very important. One number is plus, one number is minus. Clear? So if you remember in both the cases, means if you see here, we were making plus. We were making plus for all the plus. And in the previous case, here also, we were making plus. But in case 3, we are not going to plus. In case 3, we are going to minus. Clear? And minus means you need to find the value of b. Okay? It will depend how to find it. Like we will take with the example. Example number 1. What is the example? Example is x square plus 2x minus 15. This is. So here is minus. Okay. So now I want to tell you that there will be two factors of 15. Two factors of 15. Big factor will be positive and a small factor will be negative. If plus here, big factor is plus. If minus here, here is minus, then big factor is minus. This is the only difference. Okay. So what is the answer? Answer is x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to x plus the first one and x minus the second one. This you need to find. Okay, let us find the factors of 15. 15 is 15 times 1. Another is 5 times 3. No more factors, only two factors. So here you need to subtract. 15 minus 1 is 14 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So here you need to minus. Why minus? Because c is negative. Remember, if c is negative, they will be subtracted. And what number is matching? 2 is matching. If 2 is matching and c, what is middle term? Is positive. positive. So 1 is positive here and 1 is negative here. So because positive plus is here, so big number out of 5 and 3, which number is big? 5. So 5 will be plus and 3 will be minus. This is the procedure how to get it. One more question. We will solve more questions in this case so that you can understand very clearly. Okay. Now another question, we will take the negative. Factorize x square minus 3x minus 18. Clear? We need to look here. If here is minus, so we are going to negative. So x square minus 3x minus 18 is equal to x plus 1 factor is plus, 1 factor is minus. Okay. So now find the factors of 18. It is 18 times 1. It is 9 times 2. It is 6 times 3. Now subtract. 18 minus 1 is 17. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. And 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And if you see, 3 is matching. 3 is matching here. So what are the factors? Then the factors is x square minus 3x minus 18. What are the factors? One factor is 6, one factor is minus 3. One factor is 6, one factor is 3. Now check here. Here is positive or negative? Negative. So big factor will be negative. So 6 will be here, 3 will be here. That's all. This is the solution. How to get it? Because if middle is plus, so big factor will be plus. If middle is minus, big factor will be minus. Okay. This is question number, example number 2. Now we'll move to example number 3. And example number 3 is x square plus 9x minus 36. Okay. So here is minus. First we need to focus. 36 is plus or minus? It is minus. Minus means what? Minus means one factor will be plus and one factor will be minus. This is. Okay. Now try to find the possible factors of 36. It is 36 times 1. It is 18 times 2. It is 9 times 4. It is 6 times 6. That's all. There are 4 possible factors. Okay. Now, if you see here is, because negative is here, so we will minus. 36 minus 1 is 35. 18 minus 2, it is 16. 9 minus 4, it is 5. 6 minus 6, it is 0. Clear? So if you see here, there is one factor we forget. Here is 3 also. That one factor we forget. 12 times 3. 12 times 3 is 36. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Don't make noise. Okay. So this number is 9 here. So we will match the 9 here. This is. Okay. So what will be the factors? X square plus 9x minus 36 is equal to x plus and x minus. Now check the middle term. Middle term is plus. So big number will be plus. What is a big number? 12. 12 will be here and 3 will be here. This is the answer. Okay. So look here, by chance we forget one factor. So the first 4 factors, the answer did not match. Okay, then I think, oh, we forget 12 times 3. 12 times 3, 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay, so no need to just go in depth. You just Okay, one more question we will solve here. Example number 4. It is x square minus 4x minus 60. Okay. So look here. Here is minus. Minus is, so that means what? X square minus 4x minus 60. One factor will be plus. One factor will be minus. This is. Okay. Now try to find the factors of 60. 60 times 1. Then 30 times 2, then 20 times 3, then 15 times 4, then 12 times 5, then 10 times 6, and then 7 is not a factor, 8 is not a factor, 9 is not a factor, 10. Okay, that's all. These are the possible factors. Now subtract. 60 minus 1 is 59. 30 minus 2 is 28. 20 minus 3 is 17. 15 minus 4 is 11. 12 minus 5 is 7. And 10 minus 6 is 4. Clear? So see, this is the solution of 6 questions. If here is 59, we will use this one. Here is 28. We will use this one. Here is 17, we will use this one. Here is 11, we will use this one. The middle term is 7, we will use this one. Now middle term is 4. This term is 4. So because this term is 4, so what we are going to use? We are going to use 10 and 6. So x square minus 4x minus 60. Now x plus and x minus. Look, middle term, negative. So negative number will be bigger one, minus 10. This is, and this is plus 6. Okay. So this is the last example for case 3. Now in summary, if you want to remember, it is very simple. What it is? X square plus bx plus c. What it will be? X plus and x plus. This you need to fill, this you need to fill. And if x square minus bx plus c, it is x minus and x minus. But if x square plus minus bx minus c is there, then one will be plus, bigger one will be plus if plus is there, bigger one will be negative if negative is there. That's all. This is how to write it. Plus plus, minus minus, plus minus. This is about the case number 3. Okay. So that's all about this video. In the next lecture, we will study more topics. Till then, thank you very much.